Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some spicy hot wings. I brine the wings for 24 to 48 hours. Yes, air dried. For the batter, 1 egg, and you season your flour. Make sure your flour is seasoned. Okay, make sure your oil is hot enough. The temperature should be at 350 degrees to get this consistency with that golden brown. Not burnt, golden. Look at that golden. Anyway, we're about to take these wings to the barber shop to see how they like it. Hey, let's see if they get jerked. So,
Hey, well, you can smell it. You can smell that sauce coming about.
we're about to find out how hot these wings is.
Man, in the kitchen. You know what I mean? Mama Sylvi, Ricky Shata.
Shanta.
First, you said we're gonna do these wings
Without the
Without
sauce.
without the sauce.
Without
And
the
then
sauce.
we gonna get jerked.
Hold on. We gotta show them the crispiness.
Yeah, man. Y'all see it.
You
Y'all
gotta
see
see the
it.
crispiness. You see that?
Y'all see it. Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, let's do that.
You wanna do flats?
I'm gonna do my flat, cause I'm gonna put the sauce on the. You know
Because
what
I'm a fat boy. You know I
I
got
like
this.
the sauce on the drumstick.
Well, you're gonna do 2 and 2, right?
Yeah.
We doing
dry?
Oh, we eat
Yeah.
two.
Dry, you
Yeah.
right. Yeah, because
Okay,
see that in the bucket.
All right, bet. All right.
All right, come on, you tap. You made your David going low. You see what it's all spacing? Boom.
Congratulations, baby. I'm really happy for you.
Oh, that's right. Oh, yeah. That's what's up.
You're the first person I wanted to tell.
It's like the It's like no.
In fact, you're the only person I wanted to
Here, y'all do this.
I taste the paprika. So no, yo.
What's the hand for? I bring the flavor in.
It's bringing. So you see, it's like it ain't 11 herbs and spices.
You're 51.
Yeah, like man.
You're 51 herbs.
You double up on that shit.
You got 51 herbs, 2 spices. Banging though.
Like that.
That's how it's supposed to taste though. I feel like I'm on
I don't take long on that.
on
Right, you want to
It's up to y'all, yo.
what do we do with the sauce? When does the sauce happen?
So when he gonna jerk them
Oh,
up.
you gonna?
Oh yeah, he gonna do them right.
I want the reality to matter.
I'm a fat boy, but I don't eat like one. I break the pizza down, you know. It's good though. I'm telling you. Look at that.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I'm from Jamaica. I might chew on a little bit of the bone, so you know what I mean?
You might chew on a little bit of bone.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause that.
Pause.
Definitely pause on that shit. Might gotta edit that out.
You live, baby.
We live, baby.
You gotta do the flats because it's perfect things that you do with your tongue.
You know,
And now Big Boss was saying why they be like, why you eat flats? Because see your boss. When you eat the flats
my man said do it like this though. Hold up.
with the blows,
Hold up. He said this work.
you see, it's certain skill
See that?
sets.
You gotta do it like
What the
that.
hell was that? Oh, nigga.
What were we even supposed to talk about anyway?
Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. All right, back.
All right.
Let's do this.
You see the ribs? He done. That's done though.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it. Yeah. Okay.
I put it on the
Okay.
food page. Well, you gonna see that video too.
Okay. Okay. So this is your special jerk sauce.
So jerk.
And this is Mama Sylvi's. And we're about to get jerked. Pause. But no, man, after that, man. Jerk.
Man, like you ain't got jerk before. Everybody got jerk.
Everybody get jerked.
I wasn't gonna do that.
Oh, Oh shit, I'm a little scared, man.
Okay, we ready to go.
Is there any way?
Everybody breaking out their phones. I ain't get my footage yet. Let me get a little quick footage. Let me stare me a little bit of footage.
We sweating,
We
yo.
pausing all that already.
No, man.
Okay, this my man.
Oh, my
You
God.
see right? My man Ricky Shata.
Nervous right here.
Shata!
Thanks so much, Sean.
I'm a little
got some
nervous,
chicken.
my man.
And we got the super
go.
hot.
The other night.
The hot.
I did.
Oh, nah. That's,
You know what I'm saying?
Ain't no label on
And we
that.
ain't got no milk in here, so we're gonna burn.
Yeah.
We're gonna burn bad, baby.
Here we go.
I don't drink milk anyway, so don't worry about it.
Already.
All right, we good to go. All right,
Right?
we ready? Let's
You
go.
got it. So
You got it.
Just
You got to
tag me,
record.
'cause
He
I'm
record.
probably
I'm gonna
be
tag y'all
done.
in.
in a minute.
All right, here we go.
I heard you say you lost your earrings, so
They're beautiful.
Oh, boy. Yeah, yo, it's already.
Oh yeah, it smells hot.
Yeah, it's already. No, bro, I'm like all my.
The taste buds already.
already tingling up top there, bro.
All right, you ready? Let's go.
Excuse me?
Guess who just got jerked?
What was that? Sean, what did you just say?
I
Oh,
didn't
yeah.
say anything.
Make sure it don't get on your lips. Get on your lips, it's over.
Someone who's just
Ah.
Oh, good though. The flavor is banging. It's like the spices.
just putting
It's starting to sweet.
other stuff out of you.
I'm a spicy though. But I like flavor.
Oh, yeah, that's the trick. Already thanks for it. But sometimes it's gonna sneak up on me.
Oh shit! No, I'm good.
But nah,
It's
it's like a sweet
That shit good though.
spice is a mother.
I hear
Like
that.
a. All right, take that shit back. There it was.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We got it. All right.
When they hit a certain part,
That's what she said. I told you so. Don't ever doubt me being a real fat boy. I'm fat boy foodie for real.
clean the bone, yeah.
You already know. Even on the spicy.
Clean the bone, yeah.
Oh, that's serious right there. That's fat boy there. That's fat boy for real. I'm gonna show all y'all how to fat boy for real. Yeah. You gotta dance with that food.
You just dancing that damn heat off. That's
No, I'm good. I'm good, for real. It's good. I got a certain hot tolerance. You about a window probably somewhere in there. It's good though.
yeah.
I definitely can taste something sweet.
Definitely a sweet tone, a tone in there.
I don't know. It don't taste like habaneros though. It ain't habanero.
That spice.
It definitely spice in there. It's like a dry rub spice, ain't it? I can taste it though.
Yeah, nose running. It's just shoot the top of your damn scalp. Start coming up top of coming out top of my
I'll
scalp.
come up the top.
Yeah.
So, D, what you just got?
DW the ball.
You already know. Fat boy foodie. I just got jerked, baby.
Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like and subscribe button.